Tape measure. Tape measure are indispensable tool to build houses, to tailor clothes, to ensure our trainers in trade and sports. Pretty much, any situation or we need to know the length or the height. So we need to use tape measure and height. Thank you.